Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to convert HEIC JPG on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, write comments, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to the gallery. Then choose an album. Choose several photos or choose one photo. After that, when we've chosen, we click on the three dots in the bottom right corner. Here, click Copy. Then Exit. Open the Files folder. You can use the prompts. Write Files, Find. After that, here you exit. You have an iCloud drive. Click on My iPhone. Here you click on the three bars in the upper right corner. Click on Add Folder. Write any name you want. Then go to that folder. Press and here we press Insert. The photos that we transferred from the gallery will appear. And we were able to convert them to JPG. Now I click on this photo. And at the top click and see the JPEG photo. Go to the other photo and also click and see the JPEG photo. JPEG JPG is the same format. If you liked this video and it helped you, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.